So Dad's gonna do a little bit of truck working. So he's got some upper and lower ball joints stuff that he's gonna do to this truck. And then I also got parts that came in today for my truck. Whether we get to that today or not, but I'll go ahead and show that. So we got bearings, some new seals, and then we also got to help someone within the community, which we actually already did that this morning. But let's go ahead and jump over there quick, go do a little bit of Mexican backhoeing, and then we'll be right back. Alright, moving locations. So at first, when I first got here, he was actually wanting to do over here, but you can see that real tall pole. Yeah, we would have to do almost 2 feet worth of backfill. So, gonna move up here and do it over here instead. Much gooder. Alright, so boom, there you go. We helped out with Mike over at Dogman, just helping getting some rock and stuff spread out. That was just, a little bit of time lapse, a little bit of us working and stuff like that. Now, I'm not going to 100% say what's going on, but we're over there shoveling some rock and getting some stuff put down. And you're going to have to wait for what he has to say of what's going to be going down with that. But we also got another something in the mail. Boom. This is the riser for this tank, so I can get rid of my little propane cover, put that back over onto the RV. Now that's just so no one's stepping in the hole. But then obviously we still have a whole lot of pipe that needs to get put in, but we still have a whole lot of trenching that needs to be done, and a whole lot of land clearing that needs to finish. But we need it to dry up just a little bit more, and then we'll get back out there. I can tell you one thing, before any other work happens around here, at least from this guy, this needs to be fixed, because I'm tired of all this hair. So got everything set up. I'll go ahead and get you guys thrown over to a time lapse, and you can watch Gladys cut my hair. Okay, there we go. I went ahead and got all rinsed up. Got my hair did, and it's a lot lighter now. Plus the underside of my beard, my whole neck, everything is cleaned up. Oh, it feels so much better. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this tank riser for the septic, just to go ahead and take a look at it, see what all I need to do to get it installed. And then yeah, I mean, for now, you guys have already seen, right, that we've been clearing the property still. If you guys have not seen that video, go ahead and check that out. I'll put that up here in the corner. And then, with the riser on the tank, it gives us the opportunity to go ahead and start, backfilling this tank a little bit, kind of get it under the ground, along with, still needing to get the materials and still need to get the stuff put in for the drain field of where that needs to go. So that's going to be in the works of what we need to do. But yeah, it's still, obviously we had some rain, we had some weather coming through, so it's still a little muddy back in there to get in there with the tractor and with the stuff. And obviously here behind me, right, of getting some of this cleared out, that's still a muddy mess back there as well. So yeah, not going to happen today. And then tomorrow I actually have a veterans appointment. I have to go up to the city to take care of that. Gladys is also going to take care of some stuff while we are there for her veteran stuff. And then I guess we're going to go get some taxes done, because yep, that's all part of being an adult. The government wants their cut, right? But I want my cut back. So to be able to do that, we have to file, and we're going to go ahead and knock that out tomorrow too. So yeah, tomorrow's basically going to be a whole day of just, going up to the city and doing some stuff, just me and the missus. And then the kiddos are going to be here with mom and dad, or grandma and grandpa, right, for them. But all right, so let's go ahead and get you guys flipped around. We'll get this riser checked out. We'll get it unwrapped, see what all needs to be done. And that will either get installed in this video, more likely the next. But I still wanted to bring you guys along, and let's go check it out. Got a ring, 6-inch riser, and then the lid. That's actually got some heft to it. Awesome. So also has safety screws if you need to install that. And this kit too, it has another insert that we can put in this. It's actually a safety insert that it only has a hole this size, basically to allow you to still pass a pipe in to clean out the tank. But if you open the lid, you don't have the chance of falling in, because this is a 24-inch opening. So, but this part here gets stuff here to be able to seal it off to the concrete, and then it also has holes, so I'll have to go get the stuff to be able to drill it in to the concrete itself. I don't currently have that. And then this is just a 6-inch riser, 6 inches tall, that will go in to the ring, which goes the other way. And then you have your lid that goes on top of that. But then we will possibly even end up doing another 12-inch riser on top of this, which would give us 18 altogether, because that's pretty close to about where we're going to be at over here, land-wise, of leveling stuff out and having different concrete patios and just different things like that. So, but yeah, pretty cool. I see what I need to get. I just need to count how many there are. That way I can get it screwed in. Actually, I see a bag of screws here. I don't know if they're concrete screws or... Alright, so as you can kind of see, I did find this bag of the screws underneath, which this is just a stainless, has a square, there you go, has a little square. But I think with this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get some of the concrete anchors for this. I'll get all the holes and stuff marked out, get some concrete anchors, and who knows, I might still use these. There's some good stainless screws, but that's not gonna screw directly into concrete. And it's gonna look something like that. Obviously it's not, you know, all the way installed, but actually these screws here, they go in those locations there. So it's actually what connects the riser to the ring, and it goes all the way around, all the way around. So I went ahead and put those in, and then the lid, I don't have the lid screwed down to nothing, it just sits there. But this lid, as you see, it says to fill the concrete for added safety, and that's actually what it has on the inside. Has all these the spikes like that, and that even says it's a concrete keeper. So you pour concrete into the center part, and it just added security for, obviously, if people are driving over it or anything like that, which we're not going to have that. But yep, so I'll go get the things I need to do to get this attached to the concrete so it doesn't move like this. But for now, it can sit here because it's not going to go nowhere. But hopefully you enjoyed our journey today. So definitely give a big thanks over to the dog man over there. His link will be down in the description. I can even throw it up here in the corner. But go over to his channel if you're not familiar with his channel. Go check him out. It's greatly appreciated. He actually has a few channels, but get over to his main channel and then you can filter out to the other ones. And then with that, we have the video over here that you can check out. It's greatly appreciated. And then we have a playlist over here to be able to follow the whole journey for this year. Icons at the top make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel. And without further ado, always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.